are back. We are in San Francisco and the sun is shining. But hey, later today, they say it's supposed to rain, but guess what? We're not afraid of rain because today it's all about the StellaPro CLx10 once again, and this baby's waterproof. So if we get into the rain, it's not gonna stop us one bit. Right now, we are in the bullpen, as we like to say when we get started, because we're just warming up and playing around here at Fort Point. So let's see what kind of shots we can get, and then let's start taking a tour around the city of San Francisco with the StellaPro CLx10. So here's one thing we love about San Francisco. All around the outside of the city are these old batteries. Now the batteries are just these concrete structures where they used to have big giant guns to guard the bay, so enemy ships couldn't come in. So they've taken everything out, but all these old batteries are all around San Francisco. Love shooting at them because you got all this concrete structure, you've got all kinds of angles, you've got great stairs and things to shoot at. But what you're going to see is, I don't have it here because we got it on one of the other lights right now, is when it gets really bright like this, we like to put on the front of this CLx10 is what's called a Fresnel lens. What that lens does is it kind of channels that light into a really tight pattern and gives us up to 2 stops more of light out of these things. So when the sun's getting bright and put the Fresnel on, that gives us more light. You'll see that in the video. So right now we're going to see what we can make at this incredible battery, including, wait till you see the vista of the Golden Gate Bridge. Okay, so we're driving through the Presidio and we found the backs of these amazing buildings. Got these great white walls, and we thought this is the place to make black and white images. So we knew that our model Nicolette had this beautiful black dress. We thought this is going to be the place. So here's what we had everybody do. We had them put all their cameras in the black and white mode. If you're shooting in RAW, you can shoot in the black and white mode. Your RAW file is still going to be a color file, but you're going to end up with this beautiful black and white JPEG that you can actually see on the back of your camera. So what that does, it strips away all the color information, and it allows you in a bright setting where you have very contrasty areas, you can see the tones rather than see color. And what we had found is, when we've done this in the past, our participants get home and they go, oh my goodness, my exposures were spot on. So now for these shots, what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna pull out 2 of these lights, because we want this to be a very, edgy light. We want it to be a harsh directional light so that we can cast some shadows on the wall and play with this also bright sunlight that we have right now. So take a look at the images we're getting here in the Presidio in San Francisco. Cannot believe this. California Street. This is that iconic street where you always see the cable car going up the hill in San Francisco. There is nobody out here today. We are going to go walk down California Street. We're going to get some shots right in the middle of the street, but we're just going to go play. And a little ways down, we've got Chinatown. We'll go play around in Chinatown and see what we can do. Right now, it's pretty much just a photo walk. Again, we're just running and gunning. That's what we love about this CLx10, is it's lightweight and it just performs. So let's take a walk down California Street.